Hey, it's Joe Glines, my automator, and I was thinking more about the Department of Government Efficiency that was just created, and Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy are heading it up. And, I used to work alongside government employees, and there's a lot of really hard-working people, and I know there's also issues with government agencies not able to install software on their computers, but there's also, there's a lot of issues with just the drive overall of trying to be productive. That's just not something that they generally have, right? They don't have they're often unionized and don't have a lot of things. So I was taking a quick look for my stats of like, hey, of our subscribers, we have 5,705 email addresses that actively subscribe to the AutoHotkey newsletter. What percent of them end in that .gov domain? So let me share my screen here. So, not surprisingly, .com makes up a big bulk of it, right? 5,312. That's a big amount. Like, that's a very high percent. We have Russian.net, German, UK, org. Where does Gov fit in? Well, if I can scroll down, it's basically below here. I had to go down to 4. I have 4 subscribers out of 5,705. I'm not going to calculate the percentage of that, but it's small. And I think that just gets back to, one, I know, again, people don't have that drive, so why would they want to improve themselves, right? And that's what our channel and AutoHotkey is all about, trying to be more productive. But it's one of those things, I think Elon and Vivek are going to have their work cut out for them, trying to be more productive. So we're going to reach out to them, and I know it's a long shot, but I do want to try to help government employees really be more productive. And I think we really need a big system change in this to help government employees really have motivations and drive and take advantage of an attitude of benefiting from it. Because when I worked for one of my first jobs when I was working for CIA and FBI and DIA, I did that years and years ago. But I interviewed an exit poll of people that were quitting one of the agencies, and everyone that was quitting was basically saying it's because they see people that don't work hard do just as well as they do, if not better, and they work their butts off, and yet they don't get ahead at all, and it's really frustrating. So that's one of them, but I'd love to be able to say, hey, they should have programs to where they can get put through to help learn how to use a computer better, like our avoiding PC incompetence course. It's a great course for teaching you basically how to be a power user. And we're going to be doing a lot more with this, so hopefully you enjoy this video. And if you're on board or know somebody that works for a government agency, forward them along to me. I'd love to try to have a chat about finding a way to get more of their employees to have access to tutorials and training that is going to help them be more productive. So it saves us all of us people in the U.S., we all pay our taxes, right? At least a lot of us do. And it'd be great if we were getting more bang for our buck with our tax dollar. Thank you. Cheers.